Okay, this one is on a crescent, and there's supposed to be multiple sales.
All right.
So
Sounds all right.
hopefully we'll find some good stuff.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's just around. I think this is it. Here we go.
Okay. Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's two.
You're just gonna park right there.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and here's one right here too.
Is it?
And that's Jerry.
Oh yeah. So.
Okay.
We should go to the other ones first, where he's not, because he's gonna be pick through all the jewelry.
Wherever you want to go, I'll just follow you around.
Oh, okay. That's the scooter you should have.
Yeah.
Get some
Manual.
Get a workout.
I don't need a workout.
I'll tie me to the back. I'll sit on that.
It almost looks like a big shoe.
That's what I thought it was at first too.
Hello.
I think it's new.
Oh yeah, you're right. Majolica. No. Mayo.
I don't know.
I can't read that.
No.
Made in Italy.
Yeah.
I'll say that's why I can't read it.
Yeah. Oh, hi, kitty. That's a big kitty.
Yeah, that is a big cat.
Oh,
Not interested.
no.
What do you guys got going on over here?
We got candy bags.
Oh, candy bags.
$1.
That's my weakness.
Pink lemonade.
And then we have popcorn and
Oh my god. And popcorn.
Everything he likes.
I think I'm gonna take a candy bag and a popcorn.
okay. Popcorn.
And how much are the licorices? Probably $1 as well.
Yeah.
There's 3. Oh, dropped one right in there.
Okay.
Awesome. So a licorice and a candy bag and a popcorn. Hey, grab that one and that one. And are the popcorns the same basically?
No, the popcorns are $2.
Oh, popcorns are $2. I'll give you one more buck. But like, are they the same, like green and red? There's no difference.
There's no difference.
Here, do you have change for? Do you have a loonie? Well, thank you guys. I hope you sell lots.
Yeah.
Make lots of money.
Hopefully.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Just gonna pop this stuff in the truck.
Okay.
Snacks for later. Awesome. I like supporting the kids.
Maybe we'll go over to this one. That one's busy over there.
I like supporting the kids.
Yeah, I know. And they literally did have everything you like. That was so funny.
They knew what they were doing.
They did. They were like, this is what everybody likes.
Yep.
I am so not prepared. I'm
Oh.
so sorry.
No, that's
Oh,
okay.
okay.
My alarm didn't go off. Everything is offered.
Okay.
I had
No problem.
no time to price.
How much for the old guy there?
Keep him away from me.
I don't know.
Get away.
Oh, are you guys the garage sale?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
We know Jerry. We like to.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, Jerry was just looking for some coins and some gold.
Yep.
And I went into my personal collection.
He talked you into the
Do
person.
you have any left? You can show me.
And I got some antique
After me, you
stuff.
come first.
After.
I don't know if you want to. This is antique. This is laid in ivory. That was my great grandmother's.
Look at that.
It used to be called a sniffer.
Snifter.
Snifter. Yeah.
No, wait. For snuff. Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, and it's
And then,
still.
oh yes.
It's still got
yes.
the spoon.
That's pretty neat.
Look at that.
That's not something that you were looking at, were you, Jerry?
No.
The
I was
Look
going
at
to, but
that.
that's
I
not-
love it,
that's not
and
okay.
I've had it appraised. I know I won't get for it what I got it appraised for, but I mean, if someone gives me a good offer on it, I will.
like, what range are you thinking?
What range are you thinking?
Well, I just would have no idea what it's even worth, so
Okay,
I have nowhere
got
to start.
I got it appraised at over $100.
Oh,
and
wow.
There's
Okay.
no way I would ask that. I would ask at least $50 to $40. Like
Gotcha.
go half.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
So you probably don't want to leave it out here if you're going to be in and out.
Yeah.
I got this in my hand.
Okay, there you go.
I don't know if that's uranium.
Oh,
It's missing some stones though.
oh,
Let me get my.
yeah, it is. There's a couple there that
Yeah,
are missing.
No, but
A couple on that one. There's one there, one there, one there.
oh god, I can't tell.
Let me check the camera. It shows up so much better. Oh, you're
I got rid of the dog.
covering the...
I don't think so.
And come away from it?
I'll help you carry it.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
Just let you know.
No.
It's newer.
Took it off the instructions.
Okay.
When I used it, I had it.
Okay. Well, good luck, Jerry.
Yeah, see ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pop over here. Oh, no, we were there. Yeah. Hey, they're selling popcorn over there. We should go over there.
Yeah. Those kids would be so confused.
Yeah.
So what you got here? Slack like you never were there. Yeah. Be like, what?
Oh, those are nice. Those are crystal.
Yeah, they are nice.
Oh, look at these things. Is that a cookie jar?
I think so.
Let's go. Oh, it's got
it's
a...
got it, yeah.
I was like, why is that so...
So they stay fresh.
Right. They are.
They are cute.
Decorate the basement instead of my house.
Oh, and there's one there too. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Keep moving. Decorative sand.
Oh yes. Oh my God, Jerry's still over there.
Yeah. Yeah, he's buying up all her gold and silver.
Yeah. Okay, well. Okay. This one is today only and it started 40 minutes ago.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yes.
There she be.
Yo.
A lot of people there too.
Yeah, holy smokes. Everybody came at the same time, so just, oh. I don't know if you want to park on the curve, then yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can park on the curve.
Sure. Sounds good.
The curve or the curb? How about both?
No, you've been much better since.
Since we bought new tires.
Yeah, and you got the stink eye from me. I think that's what did it.
I don't know that that's true.
Do you need it again? Yeah.
Handmade garland.
With little bits
With
of fur
and leather and
wool.
wool. Wow.
That's cute. Yeah. Bag of lights. $2 for all of them. That's pretty good. I think this isn't. Yeah, it's newer, I think. Not that we do candles really, but evening mischief.
Yeah, that sounds all right.
I don't think you'll like it.
I don't mind that. That's like,
Because it has a bit of...
it's almost like a patchouli-ish.
It is, but it also has that smell you don't like
Musk?
yeah.
I'm pretty good at running human in emulation mode.
Well, your musk detector must not be working.
Yeah, my sensor's gone on the fritz.
Yeah. It's cute. You don't like tube tops though.
No, they don't fit me very well.
No? I think they look good on you, though.
He heard me.
Those are so cute.
Yeah, the solo cup lights.
Yeah.
Those are funny. Oh, I might have to get that. Might have to get that for Lynn.
Huh?
Might have to get this for Lynn.
What is it?
Victoria, BC.
I'm gonna say this is the free box.
Is it just prints?
Yeah, but they're signed. That's a legit signature. In pencil.
Is it shiny?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to.
50 cents.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, we'll grab those.
Okay.
Do you need some corks? Do you want to get corked?
Nope.
Oh.
Knobs, 25 cents. Hooks, 50 cents. Poles, 50 cents. So what's the difference between a knob and a pull?
Look at these.
I know, aren't they huge? There's some here too. So I've seen people do like make art with them and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know what the difference between a knob and a pull is. But they're the same price, so.
Maybe they're calling
Oh, no,
this-
they're not.
maybe-
Knobs are
maybe
25
this is a
cents.
pull.
Oh, okay.
I would call it a handle though. What's this?
$12, but it's in the.
I know. Watch out. I guess we have to go on the line to look at that other table. Ooh.
Little tackle box.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Pretty rusted.
Yeah.
It's seen a lot of action.
A lot of water.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of moisture.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Looks old.
Like if you had an office.
Is it meant? Is it?
It's not.
It's not old. It's
No.
just meant to look like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
That's cool looking, isn't it? Yeah.
Honey Pond Vintage.
Yeah, like her logo.
Very much.
Yeah, look at that. Wow, I didn't even notice that. As soon as you said it, though.
Yeah. It reminded me of her right away.
Got it? Yep. Oh, I thought it was there. Check over there. It's in the bucket. Sorry.
No, that's okay. You're all good.
Busy
Uh,
yammering. 50 cents.
Is it 50 for the three of them? There's like three
Absolutely.
prints in there or something.
No, we want 50 cents total.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You were. Yeah, you probably would.
Have a good day. You too.
Nice one.
Where are you going?
Well, I thought traffic was coming.
No. Okay.
I pulled out a toonie and I wanted a loony change. I had just given them 3 loonies, but then go to mom to get a loony.
No. That's so funny.
I was like, I was going to say something. And I was, never mind.
Well, I wondered. I was like, I didn't see them take the money over there, so they should have.
They were just in the bottom of the. I was like, you can just go in the. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, never mind. Just let them do what they want.
Yeah. They made an extra $1 doing that off their mom.
Yep.
They're doing it right.
Yes.
Come out and play. It's Saturday. promise I'm better now.